Mars, known since prehistoric times as the Red Planet, is the fourth planet from the Sun and a terrestrial planet just like Mercury, Venus, and Earth. As a terrestrial planet, Mars is small, rocky, and dense. A scaled-down comparison of Earth to Mars would look something like this. Earth would be about this size, and Mars about this size, slightly less than half the size of the Earth. With an average radius of 3,389.5 kilometers, a volume of approximately 163 billion cubic kilometers, and a mass of 641 sextillion 693 quintillion kilograms, Mars is the second smallest planet. Mars has two moons. The larger is Phobos, meaning fear or panic. Phobos orbits only 6,000 kilometers above the Martian surface, the closest known orbit of a moon. The second moon, Deimos, meaning flight, is much smaller. Neither of the moons are spherical because their mass is too small for gravity to shape them. Scientists have considered using the moons of Mars as bases so they can study things more easily, such as the Martian surface. So, how does the cratered Mars surface get its red coloring? Well, essentially it's just rust. The iron-rich materials oxidize, creating the red-orange coloring in the dust. That isn't the only notable thing about the Martian surface, though. Olympus Mons, the tallest mountain in the solar system, is a shield volcano 3 times the size of Mount Everest. Mars's lack of active plate tectonics allowed for the lava to repeatedly cool on the same surface, creating a huge volcano. Mars is also home to Valles Marineris, which is Latin for Mariner Valley, a huge valley formed by earthquakes millions of years ago.
Mariner Valley is 10 times longer, 5 times deeper, and 20 times wider than Earth's Grand Canyon. You could drop the entire Los Angeles basin inside with room to spare. The rim stands almost as high above the valley floor as Mount Everest on Earth.
Because Mars is farther from the Sun than Earth is, its years are nearly twice as long, lasting 686.98 Earth days. The circumference of Mars's orbit measures in at 1,429,085,052 kilometers, and its orbit size around the Sun at the semi-major axis is 227,943,824 kilometers. Mars has an average orbit velocity of 86,677 kilometers per hour, which is about 0.8 times slower than that of the Earth. Mars is also very chilly, with temperatures ranging from -87 degrees Celsius to -5 degrees Celsius. However, some scientists think that this can be changed.
What we propose is to use greenhouse gases, the same ones that are currently on the Earth causing climate change.
That's right. The same toxic stuff already blamed for global warming here, Earthlings are thinking of using on Mars to put some life back in the old place.
But why exactly would we want to do that? Well, Mars is one of the best choices for a second livable planet because it can be terraformed into an Earth-like planet. Its thin atmosphere is composed of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and argon, all of which can be found in Earth's atmosphere. Mars also experiences seasons due to its tilted rotational axis and slightly elliptical orbit. Perhaps the most important aspect is the presence of water ice on the Martian Arctic and underneath the surface. Mars even experiences clouds and snow. Because of its possible ability to sustain life, plans to further explore Mars are always in the works. On November 26, 2011, the rover Curiosity was launched. It is expected to land on Mars on August 6, 2012. The large mobile laboratory will spend 23 months analyzing drill samples to investigate conditions affecting microbial life. In late 2013, MAVEN, or Mars Atmospheric and Volatile Evolution, will be launched. MAVEN will provide information on the loss of atmospheric gases and reveal more about Martian climate and geology, all of which are very important to understanding if Mars can support life. For now, Mars is just another unknown, but in the future, it could be our new home.